Hi, I'm Evan May Swift Sullivan, and I'm here to introduce you to a ShamWow, but it's not really a ShamWow because we can't say that for legal reasons on a commercial, so we call it the ShamWow. The ShamWow comes in many new and distinct sizes. We got, for the hefty jobs, the 357 square inch ShamWow, and for your smaller jobs, the 169 inch ShamWow. And we're here to introduce you to all the new products by the ShamWow camera guy. Stop. Camera guy! Look at this ShamWow. It's 8 by 8 inches. That has only an area of 64 square inches.
How much does it cost?
It costs $800. Compare that to the ShamWow.
How much does that cost?
Which costs only $600 and has a length of 4 inches by 4 inches.
So the way we found out how big the ShamWow was by using the lengths. So the equation is length 1, the length of one side, times length 2, the length of the other side. It is equal to the area. I'm just going to zoom in there, get in there, and that's the equation. Now I'm going to have Evan write it a little bit bigger, like a lot bigger. Hey, it's Matt again. So, here we have a little demonstration. We have a 64 square inch piece of ShamWow. I'm going to fill a little bowl with water. So, here's the thing. This doesn't absorb a lot of water, right? It's only 64 square inches, 8 by 8. And dunk it in there. Look how much water it absorbs. Look at it drip. There's still water in the bowl and it's still dripping. Now if we use the ShamWow, this is a 238 square inch piece of German technology. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it, dunk it in the bowl, just dunk it in there, wait a couple seconds, and pull it back out. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of dripping, but not as much as the other one. And that's because this hasn't been previously wring out. Now, to prove to you that this is completely empty, I'm going to take the camera from Evan, and so, there. That was a demonstration of the ShamWow. Now, the cool thing is, if I take the ShamWow and I squeeze it back over the bowl, it'll get about 90% of the water back in. So, that was the ShamWow. So, here we have a really weird thing that ShamWow came out with. It's a ShamWow 2, and it's in the shape of a triangle. Now, I don't know what they were thinking, but they only gave us 2 sides and did not give us the area of the triangle. So, what we had to do is find one of the sides. Now, to do that, we used the Pythagorean theorem, which is when you take both of the sides that you already have, and then you square them and then add them together, and then you get the answer to the second power, so you gotta square it. So once you square that, you get your final answer, and that answer is 5.8 inches. That's the missing length. Now, to find the area, what we had to do is we needed to take the height, which was 5.8 times the height of 2.9 divided by 2, which is the height and the base. Now, once we divided by 2, it gave us 8.41 inches squared. And that is, and if the largest side of the sum is of 2 is smaller than the side of the right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle that has a 90-degree angle at the top. And at the bottom, there's two 45-degree angles. So that means if you, to find if it's a right triangle or not, what you need to do is you need to take the two smaller sides, add them up, and if they become the same exact number as the bigger side, then that means it's a right triangle. Go.
And that's the power of the Sham. Whoa.
Isn't that the real ShamWow?
Cut!